I take a small 30-second introduction time to you. So I have this program how to speak like a concrete expert in 30 days. And many people laugh at me. What do you mean by speak like a concrete expert? So that is a challenge I have taken. Whatever is your level in concrete technology, through 30 days, I will ensure that you are able to really speak like a concrete in client meetings, with your colleagues, speaking to your boss, or maybe even in the next interview. So normally I have these batches running every 3 months. Our first, this current batch is just starting, but anybody who is interested in taking, friends, I had many programs before, but they were all pre-recorded videos. This is the time I am taking a challenge of coaching personally, live, once a week for 2 hours, and then lot of pre-recorded videos for you during the week. So anybody wants to commit 30 days of strong learning from your life for this, then you can please join the course. If you want to know more about it, you can just send me an email or a WhatsApp message or a SMS, and I will give you more information of the next few batches would be coming. But the current batch is full, and there is the batch begins on 8th of January, but you can apply for a batch starting in March. Okay, that was my short, you can say, commercial break. And now the fifth point. So we are talking about a 5-point blueprint about your batching plan. And now I am talking about the fifth point. And profitability के बारे में हम concrete engineer सोचते हैं कि हमारा क्या लेना देना है about the profitability. We are there, maximum we are there worried about productivity. But wait. We need to know that if I'm selling the concrete for 5,000 rupees a cubic meter, I have 10% at least, which is my fixed cost. And the more volume I sell, now I am talking about output. Okay. In the first slide, I spoke about the throughput. So we're talking about the output and how do we all increase the output of our plant. And for that, there are two guys mainly responsible. The first one is your salespeople, and they should be part of the whole team in understanding the ball game. The more orders they bring, the more busy your plant, right? So that is on one end. On the second is your maintenance people. As we have seen, the most important day, हर प्लांट के साथ होता है जब मैक्सिमम ऑर्डर मुझे सप्लाई करना है और सुबह सुबह प्लांट ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है, जैसे भी चलता नहीं, एग्रीगेट्स लोड नहीं कर पाता है, देयर इज प्रॉब्लम विद द स्क्रू गेट्स जैम, एंड वी हैव ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स. So maintenance team and the sales team, they also need to have very clear cut targets. Like I told you about our procurement team or stores team or purchase team, even these two departments need to have clear cut targets about the running time of the plant every month. It is the sales team job to give you sufficient orders so that the plant runs 16 to 18 hours every day, 26 days in a month. Can they supply, can they give you those many orders? That is how their incentives should be also judged. So we come to this fifth point, which is a pain point for many plants. सब कुछ है लेकिन profit नहीं है. And these are the two main culprits. Everybody tries to reduce 10 kilo cement. That is a big problem. हर कोई सोचता है मैं सीमेंट कम करूंगा तो मेरा प्रॉफिट बढ़ेगा. No, you increase your customer satisfaction, you reduce your concrete wastage, you improve your staff performance, you improve your throughput cubic meter per hour, and you improve your output total cubic meter per month. You check these 5 things, you control these 5 things, no need to reduce the cement. You can increase 10 kg cement more and improve the all round performance of your plant. So we looked at these 5 problem areas, and the solution we are going to attack now is the 5-point blueprint that we have to solve these issues. So the first magic word we discussed was throughput. कल से ही आप start करो throughput measure करना. When the conditions are best, how much cubic meter this plant can produce in 60 minutes. Start the stopwatch and end it exactly. And we have done it in our batching section. We have started cutting down 10 seconds, and we have seen fantastic improvement in the plant capacity. Even without having additional transit mixers, even without having additional orders, you will be increasing the profit of your plant. Cement कितने समय में आ रहा है? Can I increase the cement and fly ash, can they come together? Or how sometimes in this PLC, in the SCADA system, they keep some gap, 20 second, 30 second. ये material आएगा, after 10 seconds the next material come. That 10 second you convert to 5 seconds. Admixture, how it can be pumped parallel. I don't want to spare extra time. My final mixing time, can I reduce it by 5 seconds? And you will see the profit jumping through the roof of your company. The first magic word. The second is pre-pour client meeting. इसके लिए जिगर लगता है बहुत. अगर आपको client के साथ में जाके you want him to sign the paper before the pour, right? And see to it, I have already discussed all the points. I don't want to go through them again. See if you can do this pre-pour meeting. I already discussed reduce the concrete wastage. My suggestion, high volume fly ash. Using high amount of fly ash, you need to be more alert during batching. Are you ready to take that challenge? Try it out. Then penalty to your aggregate supplier. Start doing it and see the fun. A company may everybody always sits on timing of raw material. We can discuss this. It's a very deep subject. But your specific case, forget about others. Your specific case, take a challenge of reducing 20 seconds per batch. जो आपका अभी का time है, let's say you are taking 90 seconds. Take a challenge in 1 hour. I want to reduce by 20 seconds. So 70 seconds into so many batches. Can you get those many batches? Start small. Don't worry about the world standards and who is doing best. So many different plants, maintenance levels are different. The blades configuration is different. The plant configuration is different. Start with 20 seconds, your challenge number 1, and let's see what you do with that. Staff performance matrix. So you will need to have a proper matrix for each. For जो मेरा plant operator है, right? The person who is operating the plant. जब राम आता है plant operation को, तो कितना rejection होता है due to slump. जब शाम आता है, तो कितना rejection होता है, right? So as per their names, maintain a record. हम रोज के इस झगड़े में, इस लड़ाई में, इस war में, we forget about the individual responsibilities. When such a technician is there on site, is there any drying shrinkage cracking happening, plastic shrinkage cracking happening? Is he instructing to cover with a sheet? Does he have guts to stop the supply if the plastic sheet is not there? So measure each matrix, and similarly for each supplier as well. Then I discussed about sales team targets and maintenance team targets. Have clear-cut targets, uptime and order level. Your plant should be able to work 16 hours a day, 26 days. Just giving you an example. You decide आज का क्या आपका level है and how much more can you go. So in this each category, throughput, in each shift you can have an Excel sheet and measure the throughput. Okay. Building customer satisfaction. So you need to have signed pre-pour cards, decide a format, क्या format लेकर आप जाओगे, and then make him sign that. Okay. These points I have discussed. Staff accountability I also have discussed, and now I come to the blueprint for you. Okay, so remember these words A, B, C, D, P. If you remember these 5 letters, easy to remember. A, B, C, D, P. This is for any batching plant. I would say not only in India but in the world. If you can focus on A, B, C, D, P, then you will get it. So A is analyze your throughput. Analyze it every day. Analyze it every hour. Maintain the record. That is for A, analyze throughput. B is build customer satisfaction. How you are going to do it? By signing pre-pour formats through a meeting from the customer. So build your customer satisfaction. C is concrete wastage elimination. How? By putting a punishment to your supplier, by going for higher levels of fly ash, by training your staff and using drums of admixture. Along with every TM, there should be 5 drums every time present in your transit mixer. We have discussed that. D is for giving the uh, responsibility on your staff, right? So let me put it so that you can watch it properly. So you'll have to demand the accountability from each staff, whether he is purchase guy, whether he is QC lab in charge, whether he is site technician, anybody, whether he is your plant operator, whether he is your TM operator. So start documenting the staff accountability with names of each person. And finally, P is achieve profitability. Throughput I have achieved. A is analyzing throughput. P is profitability. Attain the profitability by speaking to your sales and maintenance team, giving them clear cut targets. Okay, friends. So in the end, only my one last advice to you before we stop, right? So there are a few questions coming up, but let's see. So my last advice to you is, what you measure, that you improve. This is management ka mantra number 1. So what you measure, that you improve. What you are going to measure, क्या discuss किया हमने? You are going to measure A, B, C, D, P. These 5 points you are going to measure from tomorrow. And once you start measuring them, you will start improving these points. Okay, friends, thank you so much. I took more time, 10 minutes more than what we had planned for a 30-minute quick session. But yes, Hemantaji is asking for any plant ISO 9001 is required. There are many plants who have applied for ISO 9001 RMC plants and they have got it. Definitely, you can go for ISO 9001 for your RMC plant as well. 75 mm down aggregates. Tilottama is asking which you use as per IS. So 75 mm down aggregate. So I don't know where do you want to use it. If you will tell me more about your concrete, then we can discuss about how you are going to approach the sieve analysis. So thank you so much. We will meet again next Wednesday with some interesting topic. I will announce it to you during this week. And thank you so much for joining with me. Take care. Goodbye.